See, now maybe, see, I don't want to cover up the parrot. See, that's the thing. I could put it, well, I could put it kind of like that, but I don't want to cover up the parrot head either. I want the parrot head part to show. I suppose I could put it over some of that Pennsylvania. I could just put it right there. Just put it right there. Call it good. Or I could put it here. Still figuring on it. Still figuring on it, Ron. That ain't too bad right there, actually. I still keep my stripe. I don't cover up Texas all the way. Might do that. Right in there. Might. Put honey babe right there, I suppose. Ron, I'm gonna save your letter and put it with the other letters. I'm gonna put them in the car. I could slip this like that. That ain't too bad. Get a screw that doesn't have a head on it. That happens every so often. It'd be hard too much to do that. Wear the head off of them. That happens. Got another one. When I do pick up that same one with a bad head, maybe. Yeah, that thing got a flat head on it. It ain't no good at all.